Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and in this video I want to talk about a glitch on LinkedIn, or let's say a problematic feature that can restrict access to your account even if you are the fully authorized owner. And the reason I'm serving this is that it can happen to anyone unexpectedly when LinkedIn suspects you are an unauthorized user even though you are the actual user. So think of this video as a little insurance policy, and I have documented every step of the problem and solution so that if you ever face this problem in the future, you'll know exactly how to handle it. And I actually went through this myself. I was almost ready to give up and start over with a new account, which would definitely be a huge hassle. But luckily, I found a solution and got my account back. Now, let me share the problem and the solution. So the problem is that the account gets restricted unexpectedly, asking for verification even if you have already verified your account in the past. This means if you try to verify again, it will give you an error saying you have already submitted a request. Please try again later. Essentially, you cannot proceed to further processes to verify that can reach to LinkedIn's team. Means you are stuck in this process. So the first thing any user would do is contact customer support. So LinkedIn does not have an option to directly email the problem to them, because they removed that feature because they were getting a high amount of spam. The only option was the help center, which I tried, and unfortunately I got an error there as well. We are sorry, there was an error creating your case. Please try again. This is a simple error message with no specific details about what exactly is wrong. So I asked a friend for help so that he could forward my query to the LinkedIn customer support using his own account. But they told him they could only help if I sent the request from the email associated with the account that got restricted, which I had already tried and got an error. So now this is the moment where you get puzzled and start surfing the internet for answers. I went onto Reddit, and the only solution seemed to be contacting them on X, formerly known as Twitter. Since it's a huge platform and thousands of people facing the same error are reporting it constantly, my chance of being seen was 1 in 20,000 or 30,000. And as expected, I didn't get any response even after trying to appeal on X for 3 to 4 days constantly. And still, when I visited their page recently on X, people are reporting the same problem and only few of them get the response and the account back, and the rest of them, they keep on trying again and again. This was the point where I almost gave up. Then a thought struck my mind. The help center error might be specific to the emails that are temporarily restricted. Means if my LinkedIn account, which is associated to this email, is temporarily restricted, using the same email would not be allowed in help center. So I tried sending my query using an alternate email that wasn't linked to any LinkedIn's account. So this is the most important point. Do not use alternate email which already has a LinkedIn account on it. Then after trying, it worked. Within 3 to 4 hours, they responded and I got my account back. The whole process took me almost 2 weeks. So here's the main problem. Based on the responses I got from LinkedIn customer support and their help center forum, it seems they are not even aware that if an account is temporarily restricted, you cannot create a case, ticket, or file a complaint with the email associated with that restricted account in the help center. But the LinkedIn team insists you use that email for filing a case, and as a result, this problem seems to be ongoing. If you check LinkedIn support on X, there are thousands of people reporting the same case every second. And I made this video thinking it would be a great help. Plus, this serves as a documented feedback to LinkedIn from its users. So please share this video on X and mention LinkedIn so this issue can be solved permanently. Since LinkedIn is a great platform for shaping our careers, we definitely don't want to lose access to our accounts since it can be highly damaging. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're currently stuck in this loop, I really hope this alternate email method works for you as it did for me. And if it does, please let me know in the comments below so others can see that it works. And don't forget to like this video to help push it up the algorithm. The more people who see this, the more likely LinkedIn is to fix the bug. And subscribe for more updates. And if you are the victim, good luck getting your accounts back, and bye for now.